Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is December the 13th, 2020, and I'm out here in the old greenhouse, and I'm going to be starting some of my perennial seeds today. So I'm going to be doing the Russian sage. Now, I believe this one is pronounced Tyaga. Not 100% sure on the pronunciation. And I'm going to be planting the blue steel. Now these need about 65 to 72 degrees to germinate, and these can take 7 to 21 days to germinate. So they recommend planting them in cell packs or 2-inch containers. I chose to use the Jiffy peat pellets. If I get them started early enough, they should bloom for me next year. So that's why I chose these two varieties here. So I'm going to get my seeds here. And you can see here what Russian sage seeds look like. And I'm going to be planting 6 of each. And they say that you want to barely cover these seeds. They are very small. Just going to start in the front here. And you can see the little seed right there. Just going to put this here on top. This netting back here a little bit more, and I'm just going to barely cover it. Here we go. I can still actually see some of the seed. I didn't cover it too much. I just want to get a very light covering over it. There we go. There. On to the next one here. Now, I chill all my perennial seeds for 2 weeks at least before I plant them. And what I do is I take my seeds, I put them in a Ziploc bag, and I go ahead and chill them down, and then I plant them. It also helps if you have extra seeds left over to for your seeds to last longer. Go. There we go. So I'm going to get the rest of these planted here, and I am going to label these because I am growing 2 different varieties, and I'm probably going to put like something different in between them so I don't get the varieties mixed up in case something would happen to shift on me that I wouldn't want to happen. So we'll be back. So I put them in here, and this will get checked daily for water. So when they start germinating, I will come back and I will show them to you. So we'll be back. Okay, so today is December the 19th, 2020, and my Russian sage, Tyaga, I believe that's how you pronounce it, T-I-A-G-A, I'm not sure on the pronunciation of it, that started germinating on the 16th of December. And I moved it out of the boxes on the 17th. So I moved it off of the heat, and I put them out into the regular greenhouse. Now, these were started on the 13th. And my blue steel sage, which is right here, did start germinating too. Now, I still do have more of my sage. I still do have more of my Russian sage germinating on the floor down here. So my boxes down here, these still have the Russian sage seeds and a little peat pellet still germinating. And what I do is when they push the seed coating off, I take them out, and then I put them out in the regular greenhouse in like a little tray. Now, when these start getting their true leaves, I will start feeding them. I'll use 1/4 teaspoon of all-purpose Miracle-Gro plant food to 1 gallon of water, and I'll feed them once a week with that mixture to help get them established and to get them a good root system. So really happy with how quickly these germinated. Chilling the seeds definitely helped, and having them on the radiant heated floor helps a lot too. So I chill my seeds for 2 weeks for my perennials at least before I plant them, and I believe I told you this in the beginning of the video as well, but it definitely does help. So as these continue to grow, I will come back with more videos and I'll show them to you. Now I'm going to keep these moist, but I don't want them soggy. And when these are ready to be transplanted, I will come back with another video and I will show you. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description to my Twitter account. Thank you for watching and hope you have a nice day. Bye!